Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So today I'm going to get my second dose of vaccination and I'm really excited for it. And by the way, if you haven't checked out the previous video, this outfit has been picked by the guys on Tinder. I'm going to link down the video somewhere here. Go and check out the video first. By the way, I've already gotten my first dose of vaccination, which I don't think so I need to specify, but I don't know why am I telling you, because obviously if I'm going to get the second one, I've already might have gotten the first one. Nobody's stupid. But anyway, yeah, so it has been 39-40 days since I've gotten my first dose of vaccination. And by the way, I've gotten Pfizer vaccine and I was eligible to get the second dose of vaccination from 1st of July. And today is 1st of July. I got no patience and I already had the appointment for my second dose, but the appointment was at the same place where I got the first dose and it was pretty much far, and now there's some maintenance going on in the trains. So I got the appointment somewhere nearby my place. It's not nearby, like it's like 5 kilometers away from my place, so I decided to walk. And during my way back, if something happens or anything, we have a bus from there. I can take pretty much the bus, but at this point I don't think so anything will happen because wait for it. I should take paracetamol now, because last time when I got the vaccine, nothing happened. I was so prepared that something will happen, something will happen, something will happen, but nothing happened. I should take paracetamol now. Only just the arm that I got the vaccine on, like my left arm, it was aching a little bit and it was a little heavy for like 1 day or 2 days, that's all. So I think maybe this time also I'm not gonna get any symptoms. I should take paracetamol now. And then last time I was so scared. When I was sleeping during the night, I kept the paracetamol and the water by my bedside. I'm like, okay, if anything happened during the night, I'm gonna take the medication and blah 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 blah. But then nothing happened. So hopefully nothing will also happen this time, but you never know. I should take paracetamol now. So I'm pretty much excited, and that's why I couldn't wait, because I was getting the appointment nearby my house on 6th or 7th of July, but I'm like, no, I can't wait. So I'm gonna go and walk today. So it's gonna be like 1 hour or 15 minutes of walk. And I can't wait to get fully jabbed so that I can lick every person I meet afterwards, because that's what I do when I usually meet people. Don't do that. I mean, not after like vaccination, but in general life also. Why would you want to lick everybody? I mean, it's not hygienic. Now I think I should pace myself up, because I think I'm running extremely late and I can't walk like this, Turtle. Though by the end of the race, Turtle won the race, but it's not about any race, it's just about being on the time. So I think I should really walk fast. I'm running extremely late, but I can't miss the beautiful plums. Look at the beautiful plums I got from this tree. So now at this point, I've realized I'm getting too late because of these plums. So I really have to run, I think, at this point. So finally I've reached my vaccination center, and look at the punctuality. It's 14:38 and I have my appointment at 14:40, so I should be running inside. And I'm not going to be filming inside because it's really going to be the weird for the people who are giving vaccination, like they're putting the injection and I'm putting the camera in front of their face. It's really going to be weird, so I'm just going to go inside. So when I was coming here on my way, I saw a Decathlon, and a kind of a broke life that I'm living right now. I can't afford a gym membership. So I thought like I'll find some bench and some dumbbells and do my morning workout routine there, because in the morning today I didn't do my workout. So what better gym you can find than Decathlon? Can I live inside this? Oh my god. Sure, why not? What should I choose? What should I choose? Look at the dumbbell that I can lift. 0.5 kg. This is the only dumbbell you can lift after vaccination. why should you limit to dumbbells when you can have the punching ball? So if anything in life makes you angry, come to Decathlon and punch the punching bag. Life will be sorted. Finally, my Decathlon adventure has ended and I'm walking back to home. See you at home. It's been 7-8 hours since I've gotten the vaccine and nothing have happened yet, and I'm hoping that nothing will happen this time also. It's just that my arm, it's aching a little bit, but not like the last time. It's not aching that much this time. And yes, I think after 2-3 hours when I got up from the bed like to get the water, I felt a little dizzy. I don't know whether I've actually felt that or maybe I was just overthinking, okay, something will happen in the second dose or this and that. So now I'm gonna go to sleep because it's already like 11:30 or something, and I'll see till tomorrow if something happens or not. I'll keep you updated as if you care, but even if you don't care, I'll still keep you updated. So yeah, bye-bye, good night. It's the next morning, it's 8 o'clock and I've been woken up from 6 because from past 2 hours I'm having so much uneasiness and my body is feeling so hot. And look at my eye. I don't know, for some reason this eye, it has swollen up. I don't know what is happening. So I think I should take paracetamol now. I didn't want to take any medication unless something happens. Maybe I think brush and eat a little bit something and then take the medication or the paracetamol because I'm scared of eating that empty stomach. I thought this time also nothing will happen, but I'm feeling like a poop at the moment. A huge ass poop. So this is me after 2 days of taking vaccination, and why this camera is so close. This is so much of intimacy. You should go back. Yes, and I'm still alive after 2 days. So yeah, a win-win situation for me, and I think you should also book your slot as soon as possible. And why am I telling this? Like, I'm nobody's mother. You do whatever you want to do. You are grown-ups. So yeah, and I forgot to do the outro of this video as if anybody cares or even I care. So this is the outro. Bye.